Hello friends and family from Disney Springs. Today I thought it'd be a real fun idea to head on over to the Marketplace Co-op, check out all of the brand new Disney merchandise that they have to offer. Because again, it's one of my favorite places to come and check out because it's kind of like segregated into different kind of stores where you'll have like the paintings, some of the 50th anniversary merch. They have a little section over there for pets. And just, I believe there's also a candle making shop in there as well, which is really nifty. But before we get started, if you would subscribe and click that bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would greatly appreciate it. It is seriously so incredible how blue the sky is outside right now. Like seriously guys, just a couple clouds in the sky at the moment, but this sky is really something else, and the polite pig over here definitely is extremely happening today. I love this. Check out the little orange bird decal right here on the side of the window over here at Amorette's Pastry and Bakery. Absolutely delicious. If you guys never tried this before, I definitely highly recommend that you guys check out Amorette's. And it does look like they're still offering that 50th anniversary celebration petite cake. And how delicious does that look? Look like the inside of that, like I love it. I think it's officially become a tradition though. Every time I come over here to Disney Springs, I always like to check out the waterside stage right over here and see who's gonna be live in concert. And just check out the amazing view of the Rainforest Cafe in the backdrop right there. But it looks like right here, we have Brian Malpass. He's tonight, Dockside Margaritas. Okay, Kelly Jarrett tonight, Dockside Margaritas. So there's definitely a couple different bands right here. And Sugar Vibe is tonight on the Waterside stage. But if you guys notice, the Disney Springs Flavors of Florida is going on at the moment. So you're gonna be seeing lots of Florida oranges. I'm actually very surprised like the crowd levels today. You guys can look behind me at the World of Disney and whatnot. There's very few people behind us. Like this is really amazing. Hopefully we'll have like a clear path to walk through once we go over to Marketplace Co-op over here. So I just made my way over here to the Marketplace Co-op. I'm really excited to head on inside here actually. It's been a little bit of time since we were here, but I do want to check the window out over here and see if they put anything new, like since the last time we were here. Again, I'm noticing some Disney Coach merchandise, which is always so much fun to check out there. You got Mickey Mouse, and how about these hoodies right here? These definitely are unisex. You got Mickey and Minnie holding hands on them. Walt Disney World, and they're stitched with 1971 right there. Those are really neat. This is probably one of my favorite photo spots right here as soon as you actually enter Marketplace Co-op. The picture that you get with Orange Bird right there, and literally like some barrels right here of oranges. Isn't this absolutely incredible though? And again, they're doing the 50th anniversary vault collection over here in the world in Marketplace Co-op. So I do want to kind of check out a little bit of this Dooney and Burke item before we officially kind of check everything out. But here's the hoodie right here that was in the window. I love this. A little pricey though, I'm not gonna lie, at $350. So you definitely kind of have to budget for that one. For $225, they have this much smaller retro Coach Dooney and Burke bag. This would definitely be a good one for the parks. But check out the size of this one right here. Like I feel like this one is absolutely perfect. I like that one a lot. Then right over here with that same retro design that they had on that hoodie, they have some Disney Coach keychains, and these are $65 a piece. Okay, here's a new Disney Parks Loungefly that I have never seen before, and I love this. I love the Mickey right there, and all of the different Mickey balloons. And check out the backside, it's kind of like a pastel blue. These ones here are $75. Then right above this, like I don't even have words for this one, guys. This one is amazing. This one here is like a leather lunchbox, if you will, it feels like. But it's actually a purse, I believe. And check this out on the other side right here. You have the Country Bears Jamboree. And again, on the other side, all the classic Walt Disney World characters. This one here is $70. Look at the handle on that though. Like, this is really nifty. For $69.99, they also have some new Crocs here. And check out all the gibbets that you get. This one here, Walt Disney World, 1971. Again, this one here's like a Florida license plate, 1971. You have some pennants. And look at this one right here with the Mickey Mouse. You even get the shape of Florida. This is part of the 50th anniversary vault collection. That one there is really neat. I also want to check out some of the t-shirts that they have in here. 2,000 Leagues Under the Sea. This is from Fantasyland Walt Disney World. This t-shirt is $36.99. They also have this brand new Spirit jersey right here, part of the Walt Disney World Vault collection as well. It'll definitely pair up very nice here with that Disney Loungefly. It's the same print and it is that like thinner material. That is very, very nice. And it does look like they have a bucket hat right here that has Walt Disney World. You can definitely kind of match a little bit of everything right here. And it's like a visor almost on the other side. Okay, these sweatshirts here are awesome. This is definitely probably one that I would buy. You have the Florida Walt Disney World, the Disney logo. It opens October 1971. It actually says Magic Kingdom right there. These ones here are $49.99, but that's not all you get. On the sleeve right here is an actual like pennant. And it has Walt Disney World. This one here is very, very nice. And part of the Vault collection is this t-shirt that they have right there. That is $39.99. They also have some pins right here. These ones here, $24.99. I don't believe I've seen these before either. For $24.99, they also have some of these tin lunch boxes that definitely might remind me of that bag that we just saw not too long ago. I love the whole theming on these though. Like, look at that. These are pretty incredible. It is kind of the same thing as you got the Country Bears on the opposite side. I feel like if I bought this though, I wouldn't be able to use it. I don't have the heart. For $24.99, they have these Walt Disney World trays right here. These are actually feel like they're tin, like very, very good actually, good quality. And they have some Walt Disney World 50th anniversary playing cards. These ones here are $12.99 if you're interested in those. And they're also featuring a sippy cup right here with all of the classic Disney characters. Right there you got Mickey Mouse, and it's actually shaped like a Mickey on the top. These ones here are $22.99. Check this out here. It's actually another new pin for Walt Disney World. It looks like one of those fans that you can get over in Epcot, over at Mitsukoshi kind of, but you have all of the classic Disney characters right there. And there's also a new coffee mug right here that I don't think I've ever seen before. Check that out though. And I love like the gold surrounding the top of that. And right over here on the other side, it actually says Walt Disney World. These ones here are actually only $14.99. And I'm also noticing over here, check this out. Okay, all right, we got to show this. This definitely looks like an old school like food tray or something like that. Walt Disney World with all the characters. But check out the backside. Right over here, this is $7.99 only. But it literally is Magic Kingdom. Hello, how are you? It's literally Magic Kingdom. Isn't that nuts? I also want to head over here to Disney Centerpiece and check out some of the newest kitchen offerings that they have. So I'm actually noticing some really cool Winnie the Pooh items right here. Look at this Winnie the Pooh cookie jar. Like, isn't that incredible? Like, the whole floral pattern on them is really neat. And I haven't seen this one, I don't think. It says Be Happy. So it's literally like a honeycomb. And you also get some kitchen utensils with that same floral pattern. But look at this bread box right here. It literally says bread. You got Pooh Bear right there. Like, this is tin or ceramic, definitely one of the two. But that same floral print, like, I love this whole collection right here. And check out this Tigger cookie tray right here. You got Tigger right there just kind of laying down. You can either put cookies or maybe like a cake on top of that. That is really neat. This section over here says new arrival, this just in. I'm assuming it's this one right here. This kind of looks like something maybe you'd put on the back of the door and maybe put some kitchen utensils in it or something like that. Actually, maybe even like flip-flops. But right there you got Pooh and Tigger. Then right over here it says life is beautiful. It most definitely is indeed. You have Winnie the Pooh holding Piglet's hand. They have a couple other random items over here featuring Winnie the Pooh. Even some like cutting boards over here, but these aren't like poo themed or anything like that. Here's that section right here I was actually talking about where you can actually make your own candles, which I would most definitely love to do someday. Actually, over in the other store here in Disney Springs, the Christmas store, they have a place over in that section as well where you can make your own candles. So you kind of got two spots over here in Disney Springs if that's something that you're interested in. But let's check out some of the items over here at the dress shop. They have some Disney Parks Loungefly hats right off the bat. These ones here are $39.99. Then right underneath there, from the dress shop, they have this dress. This one here is $128. This looks part of the Main Street collection, I believe. I believe the hat is as well. And then they do still have some of the Disney Park Main Street Railway Plaza Loungefly bags here. And some of the wallets right here to match the backpack, and they are $50 a piece. Okay, check out this Marvel dress right here. This one's actually on a mannequin before you actually even head into the dress shop. Like, I've never seen anything like this one. It even comes with a belt around it. That one is very, very cool actually. Then right over here, part of the Main Street Electrical Parade, they also have this dress. I feel like this would be really nice to wear to like a fancy dinner, like at Be Our Guest or something over in the Magic Kingdom. This one here is really nice. I also want to take a peek here at some of the 50th anniversary Dooney and Burke items right here. These wallets right here are $168, but you got like Cinderella Castle, you got Simba, you got Remy, Orange Bird over there. Like, they are extremely nifty, but I think these purses here definitely take the cake. Like, check out the tag right here. It's actually like iridescent. It says Walt Disney World. I love this. Like, the whole design and all the characters on here. They do have a couple different sizes of these bags. They also have a dress right here that'll complement that very well. It has the 50th anniversary stitched right here and over here, and you get a really nice gold sash to go around it, but it features Cinderella Castle down there and a bunch of different fireworks. I also don't think I've ever seen this Orange Bird bag before. And again, this is part of the vault collection for the 50th. There's Orange Bird. It says the Orange Bird Harveys. Yeah, I've never seen this bag before. This one here I do believe is $178, but there's like the scale of it, like the bag is very, very big. But they also have over here an Orange Bird scarf. These will run you about $38, but check out the back of them right there. I just can't get enough of the Orange Bird, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely one of my favorite characters. There's also some new Remy Ratatouille inspired Dooney and Burke bags here. This one is $228. This one here I feel like is more of like a crossbody type, and they do have a couple other sizes here that get a little bit larger. This one down here being the largest one, but right over here they also have a dress. I feel like the dresses are just so pretty. Very, very fancy for the parks. I like these a lot. Another one of my favorite things to do is check out some of the canvases they have here, because a lot of these are incredible. A lot of them are signed and numbered as well. Like this one here is $299, Monsters Inc. But look at all the characters you get there. You get Mike Wazowski, you got Sully, and Boo way down there. They have this limited edition one here of Moana. This one is actually limited to 95 only. If you guys notice right here, it's number 44 of 95. And likewise over here you have one of Edna Mode, number 54 of 95. And these are about $299, but I feel like these are extremely low numbered. So it's kind of cool to take home a piece of Disney like this. And they do have some smaller ones like this one here of Hades. That one's $199. And way down here they have one of Miguel and Dante for $199. Of course, there's even some options like these ones over here that are limited to 95. These ones here are a little bit more expensive, like this Little Mermaid one, because you get a very fancy picture frame around the whole thing. But these are $399. Then you have one over here. The name of this artwork is called Ocean Will Be Mine, featuring Ursula, of course, for $399. But they do have a bunch of these that are actually framed up and completely ready to go. Down here they have a Maleficent one. Of course, some of mine most definitely have to be Haunted Mansion though. This one here is Hatbox Ghost and His Friends, limited to 95. So this one here is number 40 of 95. This one here is $199. Then you have one way over here with Madame Leota and the Hitchhiking Ghost, number 81 of 95. Like, that's just incredible, guys. That is an amazing piece of art to hang in the house for $199. They even have one over here with Mickey Mouse. Again, like, this is why this is one of my favorite stores here in Disney Springs, or on Disney property, like just in general, because it's very eclectic. You get a little bit of everything in here. Over here we have some of the newest offerings at D-Tech On Demand. This is where you can make your very own cell phone case, but right now they actually have some pretty amazing options featuring Orange Bird. This is for iPhone 12 Pro Max or 13, but this one here actually says annual pass holder. Like, I love this one. This one will run you about $29.99. Then they do have this Orange Bird right here, but he's literally enjoying a Dole Whip, which is amazing. These ones here, $29.99. They also have a few different like Christmas ornaments. Again, Walt Disney World annual pass holder. This one here says pass holder as well. But this one here, just Orange Bird in general. And these things definitely caught my eye over here. These are the headphone cases, and it comes with a little snap on the side there, a carabiner, for you to hook that on. I love these though. I feel like this is absolutely incredible. Like, you can get your dog an actual Walt Disney World 50th anniversary celebration t-shirt, and they do have all the sizes, like extra small, small, all the way up to large, and way down here they do have some extra large ones. I do want to check the prices on these though. These are $29.99 a piece. Then over here they have some more pet t-shirts with these are actually extremely soft. These feel like something like we would wear actually, but they say Walt Disney World. You have 3 different Mickeys on there, and again they have a bunch of different sizes in those as well. If you're here at Disney Springs, most definitely check out Marketplace Co-op. It checks all the boxes from pins to 50th anniversary merchandise. Like, they have everything, Loungefly, Coach, Disney items, Dooney and Burke. Like, the list literally just keeps going on and on. And I also really love that place in there for a D-Tech where you can get your own cell phone cases made. I just feel like that's really interesting. If you'd like to take it one step further in supporting the channel, please consider checking out our Patreon page. I'll let that link in the description box of this video. But if you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and as always, make today awesome.